Welcome again. This is Daniela and I'm working with our beautiful July kits. I used the papers and the embellishments, which you can see here. And I also used the pink and blue ink pad from the color kit, and then 2 pieces of the Pocket Life kit. And I want to show you how to create a layout by being brave. So you see, I just use the bold ink pad, and you can apply a lot of color, and I try to have different shades. So here I have one spot with heavy color and then lighter color shades, then I just added some blue splashes here, and this is my background for my layout. So all the rest comes together quite easy. I just rip off 2 sheets of paper here and place it on top of the cardstock. And I really like the black and white papers we get in the kit, because this kit is so colorful, and the black and white papers add such a nice contrast to the colorful and bold papers. So that is why I like combining those. Also, we have a lot of beautiful black embellishments, which add a very nice contrast. All right, so you see, this is the paper basis that I need for my picture, and I back my picture with one of the Pocket Life papers. I like that we have smaller patterns in this stash, so you can use the Pocket Life papers together with the papers from the main kit or the paper stack, and have a nice combination of big and smaller patterns, and they go together really well. Right, so this is my picture. Now it's time to play with some embellishments. And you see, again, black and white in combination with colorful and beautiful, nice embellishments. I also want to have this zebra. It's a birthday zebra, and so it's a picture taken on my daughter's birthday. So I'm adding this one here. So we have a lot of party embellishments in this kit. So you can do a lot of birthday layouts, or I can totally imagine doing birthday cards as well. So the balloons also add up to this theme, and then we have more elements that you could use, like sentiments, or I also cut out this little cheetah from the Pocket Life paper, and I think it's really cute, so I wanted to add this little guy here as well. And all in all, this is a colorful, cheerful way of documenting your memories. All right, so now I just want to add a few puffy stickers to add some more details, but just tiny ones. So I spread some of them around my page, and I'm so sorry for the sun. It was so cloudy here, but then suddenly the sun came out, and I wasn't prepared for this. So sorry for the sunlight here on my desk. You see that I also add a clear sticker, and then just a few more puffy stickers, so that I have some tiny elements in a little cluster. And I tend to have, most of the time, I want to have an odd number. So working with 5, 3, 5, or 7 elements in one place always is a good idea. And so now I felt that I need some more blue splashes. So I mixed up more of the ink with water and just yeah, I had tiny ones, and then also I placed bigger ones by using the brush and apply the color where I want the spots to be in the end. So this is what my layout looks like in the end. I thank you so much for watching again. I hope you like my way of using the ink pad and of course the colorful embellishments, and hope to see you soon again. Take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.